get somebody.
Scared by little girls. Ready? Yeah, I'm gonna show them how it looks up there. No. Somebody's at the door, I think. Open the door.
It is me!
I'm so sorry, Mama! Oh my gosh, she's mad.
What happened?
What'd you think? What'd you think?
What the heck is that?
You saw him.
I feel like it was a real cloud.
What'd you think? That they were gonna take us and kill us?
I didn't think that. I cried.
But what were you thinking? Why didn't you ask for Papi? Why didn't you scream for Papi?
I don't know.
Were you in shock?
Yeah. Once he came in, and I was like, who the heck is that?
What?
Like, and I was about to ask you, where's Papi? I was like, and I beat your big butt. I'm gonna beat him up.
Whatever, you ran so bad because you scared your babies. Pobrecita, Evelyn se asustó.